Here's a corner, really thick cardstock that needs repair. And I'm going to do this the same way I've done some other things in the past, which is take some watered down PVA, really watered down, and I can't hold the camera like this. So I'm just going to get some watered down PVA on a Q-tip, and I'm going to come along the edge here. Yep, any minute now. And I'm going to feed the watered down PVA into the seams, and I'm going to do this really slow and let it drink up. Drink it up, yo. Until I feel like I've gotten watered down glue into the furthest point of the folds that I'm trying to reach. Sorry about the sound of I have my air purifier on, realize. Basically, I'm just trying to feed enough to make it malleable. And then I'm going to press it in between two thin slats of wood with a simple clamp. And once again, I'm not gonna over clamp, or I'm not gonna put too much pressure on the clamp, or else the wood will make a new seam out here where the edge runs along where it meets the board. Okay, anyway, so there's that step. And then I just got some random thin pieces of wood here. I'm gonna clamp the edge and throw one of these simple clamps on it and let it set for several hours probably. Alright, it's the next morning and here's my pile of clamped corners. Here, just gonna check them. Sure that it's better. It is. There's still evidence that there was damage, but I mean that is way better. That's one of them. I think that was probably the least damaged one, or maybe not. Actually, wow. I mean that's significantly better. I think if I really wanted to get the wrinkles out, I would have been a lot more aggressive. I don't know if I can even tell which one was the quote-unquote worst, but like, wow, that is so much better. That's awesome. They stack perfectly good. Now, here's the first one I did. Hell yeah.